Welcome. This tutorial will demonstrate how to embed AVON films into your Canvas course. In Canvas, go to the course and add an assignment. We're going to call this assignment Finding Mercy Video Response. Click on the plug icon to access AVON videos. And you'll see a link for Alexander Street video. You can ignore the second one that says Embed Alexander Street content. And we can search for our video. To link to the film Finding Mercy, we can click Return Link. If we'd like to embed the video into the assignment, we can embed it as a medium-sized file or a large-size file. Then all you have to do is finish creating your assignment and save and publish. If you have any questions, please visit the Ask a Librarian page on the library's website or email us library@gmercyu.edu. Thanks.